pH testing and measurement tools, test papers, indicators, and meters. If you're watching this video, you should already have background knowledge of pH and the pH scale. Two things we're not going to cover are using pH strips for water testing, nor will we talk about the techniques for selecting indicators for titrations, though we will discuss indicators on a broad scope. Before selecting your pH measurement tool, what do you want to know? Is it a qualitative answer, meaning yes or no? Is it acidic, basic, neutral, yes or no? Or perhaps you want a quantitative answer. Think quantity, think number, meaning you want to see a pH value. Well, on your dip and read test papers, you'll match the color to the chart to get a distinct pH, or you simply read the numbers on the meter display. Keep both of these top of mind as we go through these tools. Test papers. pH test paper contains several indicators and combines their pH ranges to offer an extended range of pH sensitivity. These papers display a unique color for each pH unit and come with their own color chart. To use, you dip the strip in the test solution, wait for the color change, and then match to the chart. With a pre-filled dispenser of pH paper, you have the ability to cut or tear the strip to your desired length. Also available are packets of ready-to-use pre-cut strips. Both are contained in compact, portable plastic containers, but take a closer look at the ranges. The paper on the left, it measures whole pH units across the full pH scale. The one on the right, it detects down to a tenth of a pH unit over a smaller segment of the pH scale. So, if test paper is your pH measurement tool of choice, consider using a short-range paper for improved precision. A well-known qualitative pH test paper is litmus paper, of which there are three types. Litmus neutral turns blue in the presence of a base, it turns red in the presence of an acid, or it remains its purplish pink color in neutral solution. The other two forms you may have used as a set called acid-base test strips. The red litmus paper turns blue in the presence of a base, while blue litmus paper turns red in the presence of an acid. Indicators. Liquid acid-base indicators are weak organic acids or bases that present as different colors in their acid and base forms. An indicator only changes color within its defined pH range, and it's not sensitive to pH changes outside of this range. To view the color change, add the indicator to a clear and colorless solution, and over the course of the reaction that's taking place in the vessel, there will be a color reveal when the solution inside is within the sensitivity range of the added indicator. Look at this chart of indicators across the pH scale. You can see just how narrow and defined these pH sensitivity ranges are. So it's fairly safe to say that these are qualitative tools. Phenolphthalein, remember, is clear in acidic solutions, pink in basic solutions. Well, that doesn't give us much more information than using litmus paper. However, combine several indicators together and you can create a more powerful tool known as a universal indicator. Though less accurate than pH paper, each pH unit will have a discrete color, and depending on the blend, your universal indicator may be a wide-range indicator or a short-range indicator. You may see some similarities between your universal indicators and wide-range test papers. In general, your reds and orange colors on the acidic side, your greens, yellows fall more in the middle for neutral, and then on the basic end, those tend to be blues and purples. pH meters. This is the most precise pH measuring tool of the three presented. The pH meter measures the electric potential difference between the pH electrode and a reference electrode. The meter then converts this measurement into a pH reading, and it is displayed on the instrument in real time. When considering the purchase of a pH meter, Keep in mind that this is not a single-use device. pH meters require calibration and more upkeep than the other pH testing equipment. The meter electrodes must be kept clean and maintained or periodically replaced according to the manufacturer's instructions. Whether you choose pH test papers, a pH indicator, or a pH meter, be sure to store the measurement tool properly. Liquid indicators, test papers, and electrode care solutions may have expiration dates. Keep supplies in a cool, dry location. Do not expose instruments to extreme conditions or wet environments. Remember to remove batteries for long-term storage, and when in doubt, always refer to the manufacturer for care, use, and storage instructions.